Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vishal and in today's video we have got a speed paint from this blue salamander. So this cute little salamander is from this awesome book Watercolor in Nature by Rosalie Haizlett. I have already made a book review as well as a whole compilation of all the 20 awesome projects from this book. You can check those. I'll link it in the description as well as up here. So this was the original painting, Red Eft Salamander, and I did made the Red Eft Salamander. So this is the Red Eft Salamander that I painted, and you can check the speed paint of this also. But for this video, we have the speed paint for the blue salamander. So I hope you enjoy the speed paint and the music. Peace. Thank you for watching the whole video. To let me know that you have finished it, just comment blue lizard. So we have two salamander, the red eft and the blue salamander. So I like this one. Let me know which one you prefer. If you have any ideas, feedback or suggestions, let me know in the comment. Or if you have any book or online courses that you want me to try, let me know that also. So that's all for today's video. Peace.